Celebrating Galentine's Day is not only fun, but new research shows fostering friendships with your girlfriends can actually improve your lifespan.
Beauty expert and founder of thebeautygirl.com, Nicole Pearl, joins us now with gift ideas to celebrate your Galentine. I love this. This is so much fun. It's a reason to get together with the girls.
Yes. It is. And from clubmental.com, they were reporting that really we need to foster our relationships. So what a great way to do it.
Yeah.
All right. So we start the gift giving with some great skin.
Yes, this is the gift of glowing skin.
Love it. Okay.
This is the DermaFlash Luxe Plus. This is an at-home tool that is going to take away all that peach fuzz, exfoliates your skin, your makeup goes on smoother. I know you like that.
I do love it.
Your skincare penetrates deeper too. They also use this on the red carpet for a lot of celebrities. Not this year at the Grammys, but it's been used on Lizzo in the past. So this is really popular. Actually, they're offering viewers 20% off. So enter the code DAYTIME20 on dermaflash.com.
I'm telling you, ladies, if you have problems with feathering lipstick on that upper lip,
Is this what it is?
Yep.
Okay, so what do you do? Put a little oil on and then go over it with this little machine or something?
Yeah, well, they have a lot of skincare prep and things like that, but you're going to do this on dry skin.
Is it vibrate?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
there you go. Turn it on.
Short, feathery strokes.
Okay, short feathery
Okay,
strokes.
be careful.
Yeah.
You can take off your lip, right?
What? No, this is not going to hurt you.
Oh, okay.
It's not a torture tool. It's really easy to use.
Oh, okay.
Don't have a glass of wine before you do it. I might have taken
Somebody did an eyebrow, Miss Eyebrow. You know, okay.
But not using this. Not using this.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
All right, now we got some, what is this, wellness cocktail?
That's what I like to call it. So it's all the good ingredients you want for your skin, hair, and your joints and all that good stuff in one drink. This is Glowtrition. It's their super beauty elixir. So you mix this powder with a little bit of water and it has collagen, but not your grocery store collagen. This is clinically validated ingredients at the right amounts. There's biotin, there's hyaluronic acid, which is moisturizing. Do this like even after a workout with your girlfriend and you'll feel really good. It takes about 30 days to see results.
Okay.
Do those drops go with it?
These are actually other things that you could do to boost it. There's like a melatonin to help with sleep. So check out Glowtrition because they've got lots of nice things.
Oh, okay, this is good.
Reminds me of a popsicle.
Oh, it does, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, facial mask.
Yes, I like to say let's mask and mingle. So get your friends a face mask. These are from BioRepublic. I love their Invisimask. You could set, these are only $7. So go on face, send it to them, do a virtual masking. What's cool is they have a Japanese technology in the sheet mask. When you put it on, it's like a second skin. I wore this last night. You could check my Insta stories to get ready for today. Your skin will be plump, it will be hydrated, it penetrates.
Yeah, your skin does look good.
But I love these masks because they don't slip and slide.
Okay, so you can keep it on all night?
No, like 10 minutes. But you know, sheet masks sometimes get messy. This is really nice.
Yeah, that's true. Okay. All right, get the house clean.
Okay,
Space is clean,
there's nothing better than a nice spring refresh and feeling good in your home. Get your friend a cleaning service. This is from Val's. It's Chicago-based. They offer not only deep cleaning, but also organization. They use plant-based, natural ingredients. They've been to my house. My kids were raving about how fresh my house cleaned. They'll do your appliances, your stove, all your cabinets, all that stuff that you don't want to do.
Right.
So their signature deep clean is amazing. They're offering $50 off their website with the code DAYTIME50, valservices.com.
Oh, okay. I want one of these. Anybody looking to give me a Galentine's gift? I want one.
I mean, talk about mental health. Like, you clean your space, how much better you feel overall.
And then the fact that you don't have to do it, somebody did it for you. Even better.
Even
We're
better.
winning.
Best feeling, yes.
All right, and
Milk and honey.
new spa.
Yes. This is in the Gold Coast on North State Street. Milk and Honey is beautiful. It's luxurious. They have facials, manicures, massages. They also make a lot of like their good face scrubs with organic ingredients. Again, I've been there. I promise everything I'm talking about, I use and swear by. They also offer 25% off their beauty products in store or on their website, milkandhoneyspa.com. And they have locations outside of Chicago. So if you have a friend in Austin or LA or something like that, you can gift them a gift certificate. But I think a spa day with your girlfriend is like the best restorative thing you can do.
Go have a spa day with your girlfriends while your house is being cleaned. So you come
look
home
at
to
you.
a clean
You
house.
got a multiple.
Yes.
I
like that.
Okay. Nicole, thank you. These are great ideas.
I love
them.
them.
That tastes delicious too.
It
For
does.
anybody who wanted
I like
to know. Nicole is the beauty girl. Her information we have is not on the screen. Maybe on the screen. There we go. The beauty girl.